In this video, I'll show you how to create desktop shortcuts for applications installed through the Microsoft Store on Windows 11. So I've got my Microsoft Store app open and I've just installed the WhatsApp application through it. When I minimize the Microsoft Store, I can see that a desktop shortcut for WhatsApp has not been created. So to create one, it's very simple. First, click on your Windows Start icon. Mine's at the bottom left-hand corner. Once done, click on All to see all the applications you've installed on your computer. Look for the application that you installed through the Microsoft Store that you want to create a shortcut for. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the applications starting with W to find WhatsApp, and there we go, WhatsApp is right here. Once you've found the application that you want to make a shortcut for, left click on it and hold and drag it onto your desktop. Once you've done that, simply let go of the left click. And there we go, a desktop shortcut for WhatsApp has been created. You can now move it to your desired location on your desktop. If your shortcut is blank and white and you don't see the icon of the application, then what you should do is restart your computer. And then you should see the desktop shortcuts icon. To open up the application, just double click on it. And there we go, the WhatsApp application has now opened. And I can now log into WhatsApp. And that concludes this short video on how to create desktop shortcuts for apps installed through the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. If you want to support me and my channel, consider subscribing. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so